This is my 1990 Mazda Miata that I just picked up. I just wanted to take this video and show you the car as I picked it up from the owner. And I have a cool story about that to come later. But here is just a walk around the car before I start making it. I haven't decided what to do with the car yet, but I think I'm gonna keep it stock and take it back to its original form as I can, because I'm not sure about parts. I'm not a Miata guy, so this is my introduction to the Miata world. So here it is. I am going to shoot another video just explaining the condition of the car and what's cool about it, but this is just a walk around. Let's look around the interior. Interior pretty much as stock as it gets, minus the shifter, which I'm going to change. And I have the original radio, so guess what? I'm gonna slap that in, probably. Not sure yet. I haven't turned on the radio yet. Not sure if this one works. I don't care about the radio in this car, so I want it to look as stock as possible. So let me show you the trunk. Oh, keys. Grocery getter, daily driver, and Mazda Miata. What it is? Where is it? There you go. This cover is to cover the top when you put it back. And this is the original radio. Looks good. A little bit dirty. Donut car cover. I'm gonna go through cleaning the car, so more updates to come later. Thank you.